Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of tossing and turning all night, struggling to get a good night's sleep? If so, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to share 10 simple tricks for a more restful night's sleep. These tips are easy to implement and can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep. So, let's get started. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Establish a relaxing routine before bed. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation exercises. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bedtime. Both caffeine and alcohol can disrupt sleep, so it's best to avoid them before bedtime. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. A cool, dark, and quiet environment can promote a more restful sleep. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask if necessary, and use earplugs or a white noise machine to block out any noise. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. A comfortable mattress and pillows can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep. Invest in good quality bedding that supports your sleep needs. Limit screen time before bedtime. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with sleep. Try to limit your screen time at least an hour before bedtime. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful sleep. Just be sure to exercise at least 2 hours before bedtime to give your body time to wind down. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Avoid heavy meals before bedtime. Eating a heavy meal before bed can interfere with your sleep. Try to eat your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Consider natural remedies. Certain natural remedies such as lavender essential oil, chamomile tea, and valerian root can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. And there you have it, 10 simple tricks for a more restful night's sleep. We hope you found these tips helpful. Let us know in the comments below which tips you're going to try out. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.